Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your hotel collection diffuser is making unusual noise while running, it can be very annoying and also a sign that something is not working properly inside the unit. You might hear buzzing, vibrating, or a louder sound than normal, even though the diffuser is still turned on. This usually happens when airflow is disturbed, the oil flow is not smooth, or some internal part is slightly blocked. Since these diffusers work using air pressure and fine mist technology, they are designed to run quietly. So any noticeable noise means something needs attention. In many cases, the issue is caused by simple things like improper placement, low oil level, or residue buildup. It is important to fix the cause early so the diffuser continues to work smoothly. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix a hotel collection diffuser making noise. Try this. 1. Turn off the hotel collection diffuser and unplug it before checking. 2. Check the oil level in the hotel collection diffuser and refill if needed. 3. Clean the nozzle of the hotel collection diffuser to remove any blockage. 4. Place the hotel collection diffuser on a flat and stable surface. 5. Restart the hotel collection diffuser after cleaning and adjusting. 6. Listen to the hotel collection diffuser again to confirm the noise is reduced.